When I purchased Swing Catalyst, one of the things I knew about the pressure plate. I'd had a pressure plate prior, but nowhere near as robust and as good as the Swing Catalyst. But one of the things that we have on here is this thing called a vertical force from pressure, which I didn't know was there, and it is a fantastic feature. So let's go and hit a shot and show you what it does. So there's our shot. Let's pull it up. So here's our vertical force and pressure. Well, that's an interesting swing. I know it doesn't mean that much to most people right now, but basically it allows us to sort of determine how I'm pushing off. And so at that point right here, I push back 139% of my body weight, and it's halfway or halfway on the way downswing, something like that when I'm happy. So basically that allows me, you have three forces in the swing. You've got a lateral force, a rotational force, and your vertical force. And that's measuring that vertical force, which hopefully is how much are you pushing, and that's the percentage we have there, and when it pushes, and where it shows you on the downswing. Maybe let's do it on the front view there, Aaron, if you don't mind. And it shows you where I'm pushing. So the earlier I'm pushing, the more the club's back here. That's a good sign. We don't want that peaking at impact, because obviously I then don't get to use the hands and arms and the club at the best rate at that point. So the earlier we can be pushing, maximizing that force, and earlier the better. And as you can see, I'm pretty happy with that position right there. All of a sudden, from that way, it's almost like I've got freedom just to let the arms and everything go at that point. So yeah, have a look at this vertical force and pressure. It's on the software, and it is, again, a fantastic thing to look at. And we want to make sure it's as high as we can and as early as we can.